Happy Friday! Today is the last day of the week, and this is our last dictado of the week. Can you guess what class of animals we are going to talk about? Right, birds. And this group of animals is very interesting. There are so many different kinds of birds. And it's a type of animal you see all around you when you're outside. So let's take a look at some of these birds. This first bird, do you know what it's called? It's a cardinal. And the male or the macho cardinal is red, and the hembra or the female is brown. Do you know why? So that when she sits on her nest, she can camouflage herself with the branches of the tree. If she was red, then predators could see her very easily. So you will notice most types of birds. The macho or the male is the one with the bright colors, and the hembra or the female is the one with the earth colors that let her camouflage herself. Okay, next bird is an owl, right? Un búho or una lechuza. Okay, and so owls are carnivores from the most part. They like to eat little tiny mice and rabbits and frogs and snakes. And I know you know this word, they hunt at night. So what are they? Right. Un animal nocturnal. Okay, and then this next bird. So there are many types of eagles, águilas. This is the bald eagle, and they call it the bald eagle because of its white head. Sometimes when the bald eagle stretches its wings out all the way, they can be up to 6 feet long. That's like as tall as a human. So their wings are very long and powerful. And look at its sus garras. Mira, wow, right? We call those talons. They can grab any animal it wants, so like a fish or a rabbit. So these are also meat-eating birds. And then, ¿cómo se llama? Mira, esta es la pequeña. ¿Cómo se llama? Yep, hummingbird, colibrí. And this bird is the opposite of how big an eagle is. It's only about as long as your finger, your pointer finger. So if you look at your finger when you're pointing, that's about how long this beautiful bird is. And all that it eats is nectar. It drinks the nectar from those flowers. Okay? All right, the next bird, standing next to this man here, I wanted to show you how tall they are. They're long legs. And this bird cannot fly. This bird can run fast, but it cannot fly. Do you know what it is? It's an ostrich, avestruz. and you find them very often in Africa and maybe Australia. I'm not sure about that, but I think so. Okay, and their legs are very powerful, so you have to stay out of their way. And when you're done doing this dictado, you can go look up on the internet how big its egg is when it lays its one egg. You have to look it up, but you can see how enormous the egg is. Okay, and our last bird is a flamingo, un flamenco. And this beautiful bird has a very long neck, but look how it can curve its neck like that. And está buscando camarones, right? It loves to eat shrimp in the water. And very often it stands on one leg when it's resting, when it's trying to take like a nap, it'll stand on one leg. You've probably seen that before. Okay, so let's take a look at our dictado. Ready? You can just listen to me and follow the words with your eyes, or you can read with me. Birds are a type of animal. Birds have wings, but not all birds can fly. All birds lay eggs. Birds use their beak to eat. Ustedes saben que es beak, ¿no? El pico, su pico. Some birds eat seeds. And then look at that comma, because we're making a list of things here. Drink nectar or catch fish. Are you guys ready to start the first sentence? Okay, here we go. Pencils up. Birds are a type of animal. 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 Oops. I didn't want to do that, did we? Let's try that one again. We only want to highlight it. Birds are a type of animal. We've used that word type. So now you should be getting used to that word, and we've used that word animal. So every time you use a word over and over again, you do want to make sure you spell it correctly. We're not going to be guessing how to spell these words once we learn them. At first, we sound them out, but once we learn them, you really have to work hard to spell them correctly each time. Okay, next sentence. Birds have wings, but not all birds can fly. Birds have wings. Birds have wings. But not all birds can fly. But not all birds can fly. But not all birds can fly. Birds have wings, but not all birds can fly. Now, in that word fly, you hear fly, I. The letter Y in English makes that sound in many words. Fly. Fly, cry, dry, try. They all end with a Y. And then the word all. So, en español la doble L, right? La L suena Y, pero en inglés suena L. All. L. Right? Check yours with mine. And remember, in Spanish, we really don't use the W. So in the word wings, wa. Yeah, in English, we use the W a lot, but not in Spanish. So you'll have to get used to that. Okay. All birds lay eggs. All birds lay eggs. All birds lay eggs. All birds lay eggs. Okay. All birds lay eggs. Those were words that we used in the reptiles dictado. Lay and eggs. Yesterday we used those words. Okay, double G there. Okay. Birds use their beak to eat. Birds use their beak to eat. Birds use. Now, when you hear the word use, you're thinking like la Y, como yo, but it's not. So that's like the word usar. So it's going to start with a U, not with a Y. Birds use their beak to eat. Okay. Birds use their beak to eat. So you see that word use? A lot of times students, when they start writing it, they put the letter Y, because that's kind of what you're hearing. But you have to remember, it's like the word in Spanish, usar. It starts con una U, empieza con U. All right. Last sentence. Birds. I'm sorry. Let me start over. Some birds eat seeds, drink nectar, or catch fish. So let's break that up into 3 parts. Some birds eat seeds. Some birds eat seeds. Some birds eat seeds. Okay, next part. Drink nectar. Drink nectar. Drink nectar. The word nectar, nectar, that's a cognate. exactly the same. Drink nectar or catch fish or catch fish or catch fish. Some birds eat seeds, drink nectar, or catch fish. There are a lot of sounds in those words. So let's go over a few of these, okay? Some birds eat seeds, double E, seeds, drink with a K at the end, nectar, nectar, or catch. So in English, sometimes you have T, CH, and sometimes you might have the CH by itself. But in the word catch, you have a TCH, catch. And then fish, SH, says sh, fish. Okay, how about you guys read the whole dictado with me? Here we go. Birds are a type of animal. Birds have wings, but not all birds can fly. All birds lay eggs. Birds use their beak to eat. Some birds eat seeds, drink nectar, or catch fish. Okay, great job. So that was our last dictado, learning about different classes of animals. I hope you guys enjoyed all those different kinds of animals this week. It's fun to learn about them, isn't it? Great job, guys.